Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Rockstar and welcome to Day Trading Radio. It might be your first time here. I put a little introductory video together to kind of give you a walkthrough of the site. Right now you're looking at the outside of the site. This is our site that anybody could sign into, watch this show. I broadcast the markets here live every day. I usually get on the air about 8 o'clock. We go about 4 o'clock. Then we have other shows throughout the week, after-hour shows, and basically full coverage of the futures 24/7, or at least as long as the futures are open. We got that covered for you too. And that's basically it. You can see a small screen, and this outside screen here represents the the S chart. I have a DOM up here right now. I'm just working through some strategies, and you might see some ads, basically, some descriptions of why to become a member. Try it out for 30 days. Again, smaller screen. And you might even see that this, I'm going to actually, you might even see it's a little bit blurry. It's just a light, not as high quality, not high definition as you do on the inside of the site. When I talk about inside of the site, as a member of Day Trading Radio, and again, why become a member? Well, there's a lot of different reasons to become a member. We have so many different little items here. We have the trader dashboard, which I'm going to show you in a second. The live trade alerts of my trading instantaneously fed out to you. We have multiple trading rooms, options, futures, stocks, different type of stocks, forex, and again, very experienced traders in those. Hundreds of traders trading in those. Again, as a member, you get commercial-free viewing, which tends to be probably the most annoying portion of the show, because we might be into a good trade and all of a sudden a commercial come on for 3 minutes and you just kind of lose contact. But definitely worth getting past that commercial-free viewing section. And the high probability set watch it, which is a whole subscription on itself. This represents all the stocks we look at during the week. That represents the watch list that goes out. All the buy triggers, sell triggers, stops, profit targets, everything to go along with a video that breaks down each and every trade that we're looking to take for that week coming up. And again, we have a great forum called a Trader Zone, and we have a lot of add-ons and a lot of freebies that you get as a member of Day Trading Radio. So let's just go back here for a second. As I scroll down here, you can actually see a couple ads. Basically, I keep this as my forum, the final watch list. I put down a lot of information. We have all the history after the fact, but we have the live portfolios on the inside. We're going to get to that in a second. And again, just basically a blog type of format of any new shows, any technical levels, any stocks that I'm watching and why I'm watching them, etc. So a lot of stuff goes out here for free to the public. Just a lot of information on here. Each one of these links leads to an important part of the site. There's really a lot here, and I'm not going to make this too long. You can follow Day Trading Radio on all the platforms: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Huge channel on YouTube. Music and everything on that. So if you're a member or look to sign up, or even give it a shot for 30 days, which you just click on that and give it a shot. You log in. My name is already in there, and you click on that, and what you're going to see here is the dashboard. The dashboard is our very special feature here that every trader gets. You log in, you get your own dashboard. It has your trade alert box. You have your HPS alerts. You have your news, your bots, and everything. And you could actually manage that. You could just have certain things. This is your overbought, oversold indicators of the stocks. These are HPS trades that trigger. If there's any on there, you'll see those. And my trade alerts. And then, of course, the news. And again, we have the Algo X set in there also. With the show, you get multiple channels. The channels you'll hear, even listen as a non-member, you'll hear Mr. Land from Benzinger giving us the live news updates, and that's really a great feature. And then we also have our Ben Lichtenstein at Traders Audio, and that's now live feed from the CME floor. And then we also have our music channel, our news channel, auxiliary channel, where we also have that's where the pick comes from, and we have another channel down here. All these here can be adjusted. We could actually adjust the volume. You can mute them. You could interchange them. If you want to hear more of the pit, you could put the pit full up. None of this stuff you could have on the outside. It's all kind of jumbled together. You do get to hear a lot of it, but you have to kind of deal with the the levels, the music. Maybe I'm talking over some music and stuff. In this case, you're back here and you hear me starting to talk. You should turn down the music a bit or just pause it, and you get to hear all the commentary and stuff. So it's fully adjustable and fully manageable. There's so many things up here connected. The HPS list, the HPS videos. It tells you exactly what we're looking at, the entries. These are all automated. So once we hit our entry prices, our targets, you get an automatic update through email, text message, or and also the trade alert box, which you have the platform for. We also have the HPS video, which is the video that comes out each and every week on Friday, which breaks down basically every trade that we're looking at for the next week, and it breaks down with the buy triggers, stops, and stuff. Here's an example of part of the platform. Let's see if we can actually get to a setup here. Gap up 3 to 5 indicators lining up here. Not just one. There's just so much information. The video is usually about an hour long, but typically you're going to see our entries, your exit, the profit zones, and these are all programmed into the back end, so you get the alerts when these levels hit. Seeing that 1, 2, 3 pattern right here. Up above, we have the forums, and the forums are basically the members' forums where they add and they talk to each other. I also have my playbook plays, which are all the educational videos talking about each of the setups that we take on the site. And again, there's a lot of other stuff here. There's the playbook plays, the blog, the support line, everything else that goes along with this. Down here, portfolio and the history. So everything is real time. And basically that is the dashboard. So again, big difference between being inside the site and being on the outside. You don't get any of the trade alerts, don't get any of the audio channels, which are really third-party applications that probably cost more than the subscription to DTR alone. The Benzinger audio feed, I'm sure that's a value of over $40-something. The Ben Lichtenstein is a value of probably over $50. Multiple channels and lots of add-ons and everything you get here at Day Trading Radio being what it is. We always try to get you the best deals as a member. So definitely consider it, and if not, check it out for 30 days. Try out the 30-day trial, and it'll be an easy test right there. All right, so welcome to Day Trading Radio. Have a fun time, have a good time, and we'll see you in the markets. I'll see you in the markets tomorrow probably.